Today's video lesson is going to dive into greater detail on how to use the calendar. And one quick reminder, when you are using the calendar, it's very important to make sure that you always code or color code similar events with the same color. For instance, if you're doing something for reading in red, make sure everything that deals with reading goes to red. First thing I'm going to show you today is how to do the tasks. And now tasks are basically jobs or things that you are supposed to get done. It's, if you think of like a sticky note, if your mother or father or teacher or somebody said, hey, make sure you take out the garbage tonight, instead of using a sticky note, you can put it on your calendar. So right now, everything in this red color is going to be a task, and I already added a few tasks, and then I deleted them because I took care of them, or I'm going to take care of them, or something like that. So if I want to add more tasks, I can just click right here, and then tonight I want to put study for my spelling test. I can click this arrow right here, and I can edit. So the due date is going to be Friday, because that's when the spelling test is going to be. Now I can hit back to list. If I want to add more tasks, I can just simply click right here, type it in, and hit the arrow, and it allows me to do a due date. So now when I'm done with a specific task, I can put that little check mark in that box. This is a great skill to get used to for preparing for middle school and high school and different jobs when you get older that you can work on. So that's how you use the tasks. Now if you want to hide the tasks from your calendar, you don't want to see those right now, I would just click on tasks and then it goes away. The color's not lit up, therefore the tasks are not going to show up on your calendar. If I click on it again, now I can see my Covington calendar and my tasks are going to be lit up, which means they're both on my calendar. Here's a really cool feature on how you can make a new calendar for yourself. If I click on this little arrow right here, I can go to create new calendar. Now let's say my calendar is my football schedule. Football schedule. And if I want to put a description, here are all of my football games. I can put the location, South Sioux City, Nebraska. And that just deals with the time zone right here. Here's something that's really awesome. If I want to share this calendar with specific people, like my family members or my really good friends, I can do that right here. I can click on share this calendar with others. And I can also go down here where it says share with specific people. So if I want to share this with my mom or my dad or my grandma or aunts or uncles, I can share it with just them by just typing in their email address right here. I'm not going to do any of those right now. I'm just going to click on make this calendar public. I'm going to click there, and I'm going to put share this calendar with everyone in the organization, which means any person can get access to your calendar. So I'm just going to put see only free busy hide details for now. And then I want to go down, make sure there's anything else. I'm going to hit create calendar. Now in a second, it'll pop up right over here, and there it is. Now I'm not going to want the football schedule the same as my task color, so I'm going to choose a different color. Maybe I want to choose green. So now anytime I have a football game, let's say I have a football game on Saturday at 9 o'clock, I'm going to put football, or I'm just going to put game versus Sioux City. And I'm going to edit the event. Actually 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, that's okay, but I do want to edit the event. I want to make sure this goes on my football schedule calendar. I'm going to put SSC Fields. And if I want to put a description, don't forget to bring treats. Maybe it's my time for treats. I can do the pop-up reminder if I want. If it's an all-day event, I can change it right there, and I'm going to hit save. What you're going to notice is I have events that are just for my Covington one in the light green. My tasks are red. My football schedule is this light, kind of an aqua green color here. So now if I want to hide the football schedule, I'm just going to click on it, and it takes that event away for now, but then I can add it, and it comes right back. Another really cool feature with the calendars, I can browse interesting calendars. Down here it says other calendars. I'm going to go to browse interesting calendars. Right now I have all of the holidays. I can go down, I can see more if I want. I would suggest previewing the calendar first, and then once you preview it, then you can hit subscribe. I'm going to go over to sports. I'm going to click on basketball, And then I'm going to go down to NCAA men's basketball. Now, I'm a huge Hawkeye fan, so I'm going to go down and I'm going to find Iowa Hawkeyes. Now, this has every single team in the NCAA. So I'm going to click on Iowa Hawkeyes. I can preview it first. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. Now, there's currently no games going on, so there's not going to be any events, but I'm just going to X that out. And because I want that, I'm just going to hit subscribe. I want to make sure it's on the right one. Subscribe. Now I can go back to my calendar, and I can see underneath other calendars I have one that says Contact's birthday, and I have Iowa Hawkeyes. Again, it's in that red color. I don't want that red. I'm going to change it to kind of a yellowish color there. So anytime an event pops up in this lightish yellow or orange color, it's going to be the calendar for the Iowa Hawkeyes basketball team. Right now there's not going to be any events for that, but you'll get the picture when they start having games, and that will be an event that automatically updates for you. So it's a really cool feature as well. Again, remember that you need to color code events and also to start to add more events to your calendar. Thank you very much.